I came for sinners. What does Jesus mean? That's right. Jesus came to make the world a better place. Jesus came to make people better. Not to make good people good, but to make bad people good. Jesus wants to make the world a better place. Topic: how are you going to make the world a better place? Topic: how will you make the world a better place? What will you do so that the world, so that people will be better? Topic: how do you make your friends better? How do you make your friend better? When you are with your friends, do your friends become worse or do they become better? How do you make your friends better? Okay, stop. Let's take a break.